Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning. Today I'm going to show you what happens when you clean your washing machine with shaving cream or shaving foam. I love this stuff. It's $1 from the Dollar Tree. It's one of my favorite ways to clean your stinky washing machine. This could be a top loader or a front loader. Now you certainly can get something like these fresh tabs. These work great. You certainly can do the baking soda and the vinegar. I like those as well, but this is one of my favorites, to be precise. There's alcohol in here and soap, and the alcohol kills bacteria, which causes the stink that's housed up in here, and a little goes a long way. Not only will it clean the inside of your washing machine, but it does wonders on your glass, especially when you have stuff sticking to it. Hairspray, probably not so much here, but in your bathroom. Let me show you how this works. Quick tip here, make sure after every cycle you leave the lid open so that it can dry out, and leave your tray open as well. Dark places house bacteria, which equals stinky smells. You can take your shaving foam and put it directly in your washing machine, in and around like this if you want to, or you can just put it on a microfiber towel of sorts. And the next thing that you're gonna do is you are going to go all around inside of your washing machine. You're gonna cover every nook and cranny. You can do the outside of this. It blends in very nicely. See all this lint that's stuck in here? It's coming up nicely. Yes, in and around here, up in here. We got everything, everything. You can do your entire washing machine with this. Not only will it shine it up, but it's also gonna make it smell much better. Let me get in the drum here. Now that you've created a nice layer inside of your drum, you wanna let it sit for about an hour so that the alcohol can do its trick. And this is where I like to go around the outside of the washing machine with any of the excess that I have here. Clean up the glass, clean all the knobs, anything that's stuck in and around here. And that soap can get real sticky, and the shaving cream is nice because it wipes it right on off. Shines your washing machine up so that it looks like brand spanking new. Once that's been sitting, you want to make sure that you run this on a hot cycle. You certainly can do the clean washer with the Afresh without using the Afresh tab. Or like me, you can just run it on your normal cycle like such. I'm gonna run it on hot, and then I'm probably gonna put this one on heavy. Go ahead and run it, and you will notice that your washing machine smells like brand new for months and months on ahead, because the bacteria has been killed, and it makes it smell really nice, minty, and fresh with the smell of the shaving foam right here. Now, if you're interested in how to remove stains, I have an entire playlist linked in the description box below that I will link for you. Give this video a thumbs up, sign up for the weekly newsletter, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.